Utilizing scrap wood in furniture making and home decor presents a multitude of advantages that extend beyond mere cost savings. As sustainability becomes a central theme in modern craftsmanship, the use of scrap wood reflects a commitment to environmental responsibility while also fostering creativity and innovation. The benefits of incorporating scrap wood into furniture and decor are both practical and aesthetic, enhancing the overall quality of living spaces in unique and meaningful ways. One of the most significant advantages of using scrap wood is its contribution to sustainability. In an age where environmental concerns are at the forefront of public consciousness, finding ways to reduce waste is essential. Scrap wood, often considered a byproduct of larger woodworking projects, can be repurposed to create functional and beautiful pieces. By using these leftover materials, artisans and homeowners can significantly reduce their ecological footprint. This practice not only prevents wood from ending up in landfills, but also promotes a culture of recycling and resourcefulness. Engaging in such sustainable practices can help foster a sense of responsibility and awareness regarding consumption and waste. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of scrap wood project ideas for your home decor or profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The use of scrap wood encourages creativity and innovation in design. When working with limited materials, artisans are often prompted to think outside the box and explore unconventional ideas. The inherent imperfections of scrap wood, such as varying grain patterns, colors, and textures, can inspire unique design solutions that might not be considered with more uniform materials. This creative exploration often leads to one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect the artisan's individuality and vision. The challenge of working with scrap can also enhance problem-solving skills, pushing artisans to find innovative ways to utilize smaller or oddly shaped pieces in their work. In addition to promoting creativity, the use of scrap wood can yield significant cost savings. For many artisans, purchasing high-quality hardwoods can be a considerable expense. By repurposing scrap wood, craftsmen can create beautiful furniture and decor without breaking the bank. This financial advantage makes woodworking more accessible to a broader audience, allowing individuals with limited budgets to engage in DIY projects and explore their creativity. The ability to create stunning pieces from leftover materials can also instill a sense of pride and accomplishment, as artisans see the potential in what might otherwise be discarded. The character and charm that scrap wood adds to furniture and decor is another noteworthy benefit. Each piece of scrap wood carries its own history, with unique markings, knots, and colors that tell a story. This individuality can bring warmth and personality to a space, setting it apart from mass-produced items that often lack character. The rustic appeal of scrap wood can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort, creating an inviting atmosphere in homes. Incorporating these unique pieces can enhance the emotional resonance of a space, making it feel more lived in and authentic. Furthermore, using scrap wood allows for greater experimentation in design. Artisans can explore various styles and techniques without the fear of wasting expensive materials. This freedom can lead to innovative designs and unexpected combinations, ultimately enriching the creative process. The willingness to experiment with different approaches fosters a playful attitude toward craftsmanship, encouraging artisans to take risks and push boundaries. This dynamic exploration can lead to the development of new skills and techniques, enhancing the overall quality of the artisan's work. The adaptability of scrap wood is another advantage worth noting. Scrap wood can be used in numerous applications, from furniture to decorative accents. This versatility allows artisans to create a wide range of items, accommodating different tastes and styles. Whether it's a rustic coffee table, a unique wall art piece, or functional shelving, the possibilities are virtually endless. This adaptability not only enhances the functionality of a space, but also allows for a diverse array of decor that can evolve over time. Homeowners can mix and match scrap wood pieces with other materials, creating a cohesive and dynamic living environment. Additionally, using scrap wood often fosters a sense of community and collaboration among artisans. Many woodworkers share their experiences, techniques, and projects online, creating a supportive network that encourages creativity and resourcefulness. The act of showcasing scrap wood projects can inspire others to engage in similar practices, promoting a culture of sharing and collaboration. This sense of community can enhance the overall experience of woodworking, making it more enjoyable and fulfilling. The connections formed through shared interests and passions can lead to lifelong friendships and partnerships, enriching the lives of those involved. The process of working with scrap wood can also be a deeply fulfilling and therapeutic experience. The act of creating something beautiful from seemingly worthless materials can be incredibly rewarding. Many artisans find joy in the tactile experience of handling wood, shaping it, and bringing it to life through their craftsmanship. This hands-on engagement can serve as a form of mindfulness, allowing individuals to disconnect from the stresses of daily life and focus on the creative process. The satisfaction derived from transforming scrap wood into functional art can enhance overall well-being and promote a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, incorporating scrap wood into home decor can create a narrative within a space. Each piece can carry its own story, whether it's the history of the wood itself or the journey of its transformation into a new item. This storytelling aspect can enrich the overall atmosphere of a home, making it feel more personal and meaningful. Homeowners can share the stories behind their scrap wood pieces with friends and family, fostering connections and creating shared memories. This narrative quality adds depth to the decor, transforming a house into a home filled with history and significance. The aesthetic appeal of scrap wood furniture and decor also cannot be understated. The natural beauty of wood, combined with the unique characteristics of scrap materials, can result in stunning pieces that stand out in any space. The organic textures and colors of scrap wood can complement a wide range of design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and eclectic. This versatility allows homeowners to curate their spaces in a way that reflects their personal tastes and preferences. The presence of wood in various forms can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a home. Using scrap wood can also encourage a more mindful approach to consumption. As individuals engage in the practice of repurposing materials, they may become more aware of their purchasing habits and the impact of consumerism on the environment. This mindfulness can extend beyond woodworking, influencing other aspects of life and promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. The act of valuing and repurposing materials can instill a deeper appreciation for resources, leading individuals to make more conscious choices in their daily lives. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap wood project ideas for your home decor or profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.